Start with a clean ironed shirt. I like the Next Level brand that I'll link to on Amazon. Place your iron-on vinyl, shiny side down, on your standard grip or your green Cricut mat.
Okay, so at this point we need to work on our design. I've got this up here. I've resized it to a width of 10 and a height of 5.868, which works for my shirt size. You're going to have to adjust it if you're making a smaller shirt or a larger shirt. Once you do that, you can click Make It. It's going to sort your project into different colors. So I was going to do different colors and then I ended up doing white for all of it, but you can just adjust as needed. In this case, you want to click Mirror and you want to make sure it's mirrored on both. Go back to your original cut and click Continue. Okay, so once you have the maker pop up here, make sure these again are mirrored, both of them. You want to make sure your pressure is the default. You don't need a tool in here. Load your fine point blade, load your mat, and press the load button. Once you've done that, your machine will have a blinking Cricut button. It'll look like this, and you go ahead and press that.
Let your Cricut machine go ahead and cut your vinyl. Weed away any excess material away from your design. On the Cricut website, you can find all of your heat settings. You can input what type of press you have and what type of material you're pressing onto. In this case, the shirt is 100% cotton. The instructions say to preheat for 5 seconds and then press the image at 315 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 seconds with light pressure. I started out by preheating the shirt and placing the image down on it. Ideally, your heat press will cover the whole design. In this case, I'm just going to press each section individually, but go ahead and press it for the time specified on your instructions. Flip your shirt over and press the back of the shirt, or it sort of presses the back of the design just so it adheres a little bit better. Once your design is fully adhered, it should be easy to pull up your plastic sheet that was on top of your, or that was part of your design. If not, go ahead and repeat the process. Here's the final results. Thanks so much for watching. Check out my blog, DIYDanielle.com.